my name is Damia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm finally filming something that I've been wanting to do, which is makeup videos. Since college is like starting in 10 days, I decided to do this back to school / college makeup look. But anyways, before y'all get bored, let's get started. I really need to stop. I need to stop. Stop it.
Stop it. Get some help.
I've already moisturized my face and I'm gonna put on sunscreen. I'm using the Innisfree UV protection cream. This is for oily skin and it has the SPF of 50 plus. Just gonna put it all over my face. Next is primer. I'm using this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. This is their travel size. I wanted to try it out first, but honestly I don't know if it does anything to my face. Maybe because like I don't really use primer that much, so I don't know like what difference they make, but it smells pretty good. I'm just putting on my T-zone because I think those areas are like the most needed. I don't know, and just like around my smile lines. Now for foundation, this is Maybelline's Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige. Guys, this is like my favorite drugstore foundation ever. It has like a medium coverage, but you can still build it up to a full coverage. Ooh, I put too much. Just gonna pat it with a damn beauty blender. I don't put foundation on my nose because my nose is probably like the oiliest area ever. A little goes a long way. Most of my like acne scars, even like redness, are like covered. Now I'm gonna conceal my face with this Fenty Beauty concealer, and it's in the shade 235. I really like this concealer. Like it really covers my acne scars really well. I only get like the same shade as my foundation because I don't really like the highlight conceal look. Beauty gurus, don't come at me, okay? I'm sorry. So I'm just gonna put it on the problem areas. Whoops. Now that I'm done with my base, I'm gonna bake my face with this translucent loose setting powder by Mercier. I don't know how to bake properly. Just gonna bake it on my under eye area and my smile lines because it gets cakey. And while we wait for that to bake in the oven, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I don't know if you can see, but I don't pluck my eyebrows because haram sister. I'm gonna dust off the product with this big brush. I probably sound so awkward in this video because no doubt I am probably the most awkward person ever existed. Anyways, to line my eyes, I'm using this dark brown eyeshadow from this Sleek Eye Divine eyeshadow palette. And you can tell that this is the only color that I use the most by how it's the only one that reaches its bottom. And also I'm using this like flat brush that I got from like a fake naked palette. I'm gonna line my eyes by putting the eyeshadow on my waterline, and I'm doing that from the middle to the outer and just wing it out. Now that my face is looking like really pale, I'm gonna put on bronzer. Sometimes when I don't have time, I don't put on bronzer at all, but my scarf usually covers like most part of my face, so I didn't really mind. Now I look a little bit healthy And I'm gonna like put some of the bronzer on my cheeks. Now for my favorite part of this look is of course blusher. This is a local Malaysian brand called Beautyra, and it's probably like my go-to shade of all. It's really pigmented, so a little goes a long way. So I'm gonna like mix the blush with the bronzer to kind of like make this deep rose look. I mean, I know I could just like get a deep rose blusher, but what's the fun in that, right? You can also DIY your makeup, okay? Now the highlight of this look, get it? Anyways, I like to mix burst and gleam, although it looks like I use burst the most, which is kind of true. I'm only gonna put it on my nose because I think that's where like people see the most. I don't know, man. You gotta look at that highlight. Last but not least is the lips. I like to go for like my lips but better look, so I have two options. First is the MAC matte lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy. This gives like a nude pinkish look on me, and it's actually my first like ever high-end lipstick. And this is from another local Malaysian brand which I'm so fucking obsessed with, called Velvet Vanity, and this is their liquid matte lipstick in the shade Peach Perfect. You guys should really check this out. I am so in love with it. It is also vegan and cruelty free. And I think that's it. It's a really simple but versatile look for back to school. Sometimes when I'm too lazy to like think what look to do when I go out, I usually just go on with this look, and sometimes I change the eyeliner and the lipstick shade. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm really excited to put out more content in this video. I mean in this channel. So stay tuned. Yeah, I'm gonna go and take a bunch of selfies now. Until next time, bye.